my name is Amanda. I go by Mandarin here on my social channels, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber, if you're new here, welcome. I hope you will join and be one of my Mandarin's oranges by hitting subscribe. If you are new here, this is a beauty and a fashion channel. I hope you'll really like my channel if those are the things that you are interested in. I'm just going to address the elephant in the room. Yes, I did go back to my natural hair color, so I'm so glad to finally just be looking natural as ever. But on a real note, I did make a TikTok a little bit about my hair, so make sure to follow me on TikTok. That seems to be like the social media to be on right now. I might be a little old for it. I also noticed that my face is looking a little bit flat today because today I'm going to be trying out the Fenty Beauty Freestyle Cream Blush and Bronzer. On my face, I have a full face of makeup already done so that we can test out these products and see how they perform. I have not yet set my face, so this way I can see exactly how these products are going to perform since they are cream products. Hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let's get right into the review. So I got one cream bronzer and I got one cream blush. Both of them were paid with my own money. I just wanted to buy them because they looked amazing, and I think that you guys would love to hear about them, right? So that is what we're doing today. So first we have the cream bronzer. This is the carton it comes in. It is really pretty. It's got like that rose gold braiding, the classic Fenty Beauty sort of style on there. So let's see what we're looking for. It says it's a fresh bronzed glow, easy to blend, light as air, and sweat resistant. So one of the main reasons I was so excited about these products is because it's gonna be May, and that means it's starting to get a little warmer out and we are getting into these summer months, and I'm so excited about it. And for summer months, I love cream products because they are so easy to wear, so skin-like, and I feel like in the summertime especially, we're trying to just look like ourselves, maybe a little bit more sun-kissed and a little bit more alive, but we kind of are getting our own tan on and kind of just living our best life outside if you are the kind of person that goes outside. So let's go ahead and look at the bronzer itself. The color I got is macchiato, and I feel pretty confident about it. I am not really self-tanned right now, so I'm a little bit lighter than I would usually be, but here is what. Macchiato number 3. And I'm really excited about this color because it looks like a really good neutral color. It's going to give a little bit of a bronze, but it doesn't look orange. It still has enough light and cool in it. And then I also got the cream blush. It claims it's a fresh wash of color, effortless blending, light as air, and also sweat resistant. So it claims basically that you're not gonna feel it on your skin. It's gonna blend into your makeup effortlessly, and that it's not going to sweat off. So I'm definitely gonna be looking for those things in this product. Again, it looks like it was definitely made for the summertime. It's a cute little unicorn. And this is what the cream blush looks like. The color I got was number 2, Petal Poppin'. Sort of like the perfect everyday pink for the cheeks. And one thing I do want to mention, I have a lot of people that got this. I saw like tweets and everything of people talking about how small this compact is in comparison to the bronzer. I think a lot of people thought that the blush was going to be the same size as the bronzer, but I do want to point out the prices are different. So for the cream blush, you're looking at $20 for 0.10 ounces. And for the bronzer, you're looking at $32 for 0.22 ounces. So you get about double the product. I think that the price range is pretty typical for a higher end brand. But some people are just talking about how tiny this is, and I know it's tiny. I'm not getting paid to say this or anything. Obviously, I bought these with my own money. But cream products last you way longer than powder products, at least in my opinion. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. Usually cream products are pretty pigmented to buildable, so you really don't need as much. I think it's cute that it's tiny. I like little compact tiny things. I like to throw in my purse, whatever. But some people might think that it's just a little bit small. Okay, so just to make this fair, I am going to be trying these products with a stippling brush, a sponge, and also my fingers. That way we can see all the different ways that you like to apply makeup at home and see how this product is going to work with your preferred application method. I'm going to go ahead and put on the bronzer shade Macchiato. So I'm gonna first take a little stippling brush. You kind of gotta push it pretty good. So I'm gonna use a little brush and I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the side of my face. And I have no bronzer or anything on right now. Okay, so off the bat, it might look a tiny bit warm for my skin tone right now, but actually it's a really good color. This is the color Macchiato, you guys. So this is really nice. I think it's going on with my brush pretty smoothly. I'm wearing an unset luminous foundation underneath this. So this is a really good test to see how it will move around. Deepen it up where I want more of a contoured effect and blend it out where I want more of a bronzed look. So the bronzer contour looks really nice. I think the color is really blending really nice. It works really good with a brush, so if you're a brush person, that is a good sign. Let's go ahead and check it out with a sponge on the other side. Blending out really nicely. I feel like it takes a little bit longer to apply because it just isn't like one swipe of a brush, obviously. I mean, I feel like this side, it looks just as good as that side. Let's go ahead and get the forehead, even though I really can't see it because of my hair. Yeah, that bronzer is really nice. It looks like a really, like I look a little bit more sun-kissed now. And I'm actually going to bronze my nose. Let's just do a little bit of contour with it. And then just like I normally would, I would just kind of pounce it into the skin. Nothing looks muddy or anything like that. It's blending really well. What I'm finding so far is that this product is really forgiving and that it just blends in with itself really nicely. I guess that's it for the bronzer portion. I'm really enjoying it. The mirror in the compact is really nice for doing your makeup as well. Let's move on to the little Petal Poppin' blush. So with cream blush, usually I would apply with my fingers, but I am going to try it with my beauty sponge as well on one side. So I'm going to go in, just add a little bit. You can see it kind of melts, like it gets really creamy. It's really nice consistency though, because it's just going to like sink into the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit. I'm gonna actually make it look a little sun-kissed by bringing it up to my nose. Ooh, this is really cute. It's not meant to be intense. It's meant to be a fresh wash of color with effortless blending, light as air, swat resistant. So as you can see, I just have that really pretty natural flush. And I'm also going to try it with my fingers because this is reality. In the summer, I love to just do that and press it into the skin. I will say because of my nails, I feel like I have a little less control. I'm gonna put it over my nose. I just want a little bit of that burnt look. And it looks really good. I would say the finger method and the sponge method look almost exactly the same. Your fingers are just like a sponge because they're the natural heat from your skin just allows makeup to just sink into the skin. Look at that.
Look at us. Hey.
Look at that. It's kind of like foolproof. Like I'm kind of overdoing the blush now just to like show you guys. So now that the products are on my skin, I want to actually go ahead and set my makeup per I would usually do. Using the Coty Airspun, one of my favorites. I use this all the time with all my other products, so let's see how my creams are gonna react with it. I'm not going to set my face like crazy or anything because I just don't want to mask anything I did. I just want it to be so my makeup doesn't move. So I'd usually like take it everywhere just in a light amount. If you do put a little bit of powder on before cream and you're freaking out, what do? Set your face, pat it into your skin. It kind of just like resets everything. Just make sure to really saturate the face with your setting spray. And just because I can, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish off this look with a little bit of my Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby highlighter. This is a little baby highlighter, and you can see that it is very well loved. Actually, it appears these are the exact same size components. So if you do have the little mini Kilowatt Hustla Baby highlighter, it's the exact same size as the blush. So if you have that, it's just something to reference. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Morphe setting spray. I just shut off one of the lights in my room so you can more accurately see what my skin looks like. You can see it just looks really glowy, bronzy. So what is the verdict on the Fenty Beauty Cream Style Blush and Bronzer? I think that you guys could guess. I absolutely love them. I think that they both performed amazing. I think that I need to get back to you guys and see how sweat proof they are. Of course, I did set my face. I'm going to be setting my face anytime I do my makeup, almost always guaranteed. But I so far think that they both look very natural, very skin-like. I had no problem with them blending strange or acting up with my foundation or moving my foundation around. I think that these are going to very easily become staples in my everyday makeup, especially in the summer. I can't wait to just test out how long wearing they're going to be working. Let me know if you guys have ordered these or if you've tried them and your experiences on them, and maybe do I need to get some more of the other colors? Let me know. I am so glad that you guys decided to come back to my video just to see this review. So that is it for my Fenty review. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I will see you guys in the next one.